Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to make an image transparent in Word. Whether you are creating a document, a flyer or a presentation, this trick can add a professional touch to your work. So let's start the video. First, open your Microsoft Word document. Now it's time to insert the image you want to make transparent. For this, click on the Insert tab and then click on Pictures and then select this device. Now browse and select the image that you want to insert and click on Insert button. With image inside your Word document, you can make this image transparent here, or to put this image behind text, first select the image and then click on the Picture Format tab and in Arrange group, click on Wrap Text. Now select Behind Text from the menu. With image behind the text, select the image and in Adjust group, click on Transparency option and then click on Picture Transparency options. A Format Picture menu appears at the right. Use the transparency slider to adjust the transparency level to your liking. So that's how to adjust transparency of image in Word. Thanks for watching.